What's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Hope all is well with everybody. Fam, today I want to bring you guys an update on my pond, y'all. I want to bring you guys an update on my pond. Oh yeah. As many of you know, I guess I jumped off the porch a couple of months ago and started my YouTube journey, y'all. And one of the featured attractions on my first video was my pond. Oh yeah. And at that time, y'all, it was sweet pea green, y'all. Oh yeah, it was sweet pea green, fam. But as you can see, fam, my water is clear. You can see my fish. You can see my beautiful fish, y'all. And I just wanted to share with the family kind of what I did. To get my water this clear, y'all. And as you can see, I have the hyacinth, the floating flower you see here. And I also used a barley straw bale, fam. Yeah, I used a barley straw bale as well. Well, the hyacinth kind of floats on top of the water, and it robs it kind of uses the nitrogen in the water, y'all. So it robs the algae of that nutrient. So the algae cannot thrive in your pond, fam. And it clears your water up. Yeah, it clears your water up. Another added benefit, y'all, the hyacinth produces a beautiful, beautiful purple lavender type bloom, fam. Oh yeah. So that's one thing I used was the hyacinth. And I also used the barley straw bale, as you can see right here. I normally just place it in the pond and it just floats on top of the pond. Well, when the barley straw reacts to the sunlight and exposure to oxygen, it creates a chemical that inhibits the growth of algae, fam. And that also helps you clean your pond up. So those are two of the things that I use to clean my pond up. I do hope that this helps somebody else that may be in the same situation, y'all. Oh yeah. So fam, as always, fam, you know I can't be out here in this garden by myself. So check it out, fam. Check it out, fam. I have my Glock 19 Gen 3, y'all. It's housed in the CAA MCK, the CAA Micro Conversion Kit, family. I have the Vortex red dot on it. Yeah, I have a TLR 1S flashlight. Yeah, that's the CAA MCK, y'all, with the Gen 3 Glock 19. Oh yeah, check it out, fam. Check it out, fam. Woo! Pressure, y'all. I just want to thank everybody for their support. I want to thank everyone for their support, y'all. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.